Tuck Tuck. Wow, you are so big. Oh, where's your friends? Where's your friends? Where's Jakey? Where's Jakey? Grace. Gracie. Hey, Gracie girl. Gracie. It's been a while.
Have you met her?
Oh, yeah. Tuck Tuck. Hi, Tucky. Hi, Tucky. Hi, baby.
Jane has been here almost a year now. This is Lilac. She's a year and a half. She came right around the time, a little bit before Jane. She's another, the girl that had her.
Hey, Dream.
So, and I watched it, and then he just sped up super fast, went around the hill, and then all of a sudden there's a huge traffic jam, and that same car flipped over. You saw it? That was the car? Yeah, it cut me off, and it was cutting other people off, and then I was like, oh my god. Yeah, I was like, blessed. All was raining like the whole time. Yeah. But, I'm okay. I left her, but it was like, yeah, she just.
I love you, Jakey Jake. I wish Mocha would just come out right now, but he's being shot today.
Oh, you go on my dog.
So I am in here with Mocha because he doesn't want to be social today. Hey baby. He's his son. You can hear him. He's on the other side. And he just wants to be close to him. Huh?
Please don't.
Here they come.
I'm gonna be first.
Everybody gonna get treats. Oh, there's Tuck Tuck again. Have you said hi to the pigs yet? I haven't even said hi to them. Right? Maybe when we're done getting something, I'll go say hi to them. Yeah. Oh, I think it was the tree. Yes. Oh. Are you going to get some rabbits? Are you going to get some rabbits? Oh. Hey, Hope. How cute. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Willy boy. Willy boy. Are you volunteering with him today?
Not
Oh.
today. I volunteer here, but just not.
Oh, okay. Thor, it's nap time. Were you coming in? Hey.
I've never seen one in person today.
Hey, baby.
Have you seen all the animals? We haven't gone in the pen with all.
So if you guys want like a picture with him, now's the time. You can sit right there next to him and get a picture. He doesn't mind having people like next to him.
Oh,
You like to get the picture.
He might rub up on you though, or it might seem like he's headbutting you, but it's okay. He won't hurt you.